Most people believe growing an orange tree is only suited for tropical climates. But with a little care and knowledge, these trees can thrive in a variety of places. From sun-drenched orchards to your own backyard, orange trees are remarkably adaptable. To start, understanding the tree's needs is crucial. Orange trees crave sunlight. They flourish best in full sun, requiring at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day. Without enough light, the tree struggles and fruit production diminishes significantly. Watering is equally important. Orange trees prefer their soil to be moist but never waterlogged. Overwatering can lead to root rot, a common pitfall for new growers. The key is finding a balance. Allow the top inch of soil to dry out before watering again. This practice mimics the tree's natural environment and promotes healthy growth. Temperature plays a critical role in the tree's well-being. While they are robust, orange trees are sensitive to frost. They do best where winter temperatures remain above 35 degrees Fahrenheit. In colder areas, consider growing them in pots. This allows you to move them indoors during chilly spells. Soil quality also impacts the tree's success. Orange trees thrive in well-draining soil with a slightly acidic to neutral pH level. They dislike heavy clay soils that retain water. If your garden soil lacks these characteristics, mix in sand or organic matter to improve drainage. Fertilization is a part of the orange tree care routine that cannot be overlooked. These trees are heavy feeders, needing regular boosts of nutrients. A balanced citrus fertilizer, applied every 6 weeks during the growing season, keeps them healthy and productive. Pruning is another essential aspect. Regular pruning not only shapes the tree, but also encourages more sunlight to reach the inner branches. This practice increases air circulation, reducing the risk of fungal diseases. Remove any dead or crossing branches and ensure the center of the tree remains open. With the right conditions, orange trees produce beautiful, fragrant flowers before setting fruit. The blossoms attract pollinators, like bees, which are vital for fruit development. Each successful pollination eventually leads to those juicy oranges we all enjoy. Patience is a virtue when growing orange trees. It takes about 3 to 5 years for a tree to start bearing fruit. However, the wait is worth it. A mature orange tree can produce up to 200 to 350 oranges annually, depending on the variety and growing conditions. Speaking of varieties, there are many types of orange trees. Common ones include navel oranges, known for their seedless fruit and easy peeling. Valencia oranges are another popular choice, famous for their sweet juice. Blood oranges, with their striking red flesh, offer a unique flavor that is both sweet and tart. Pest management is an ongoing part of caring for orange trees. Common pests include aphids, spider mites, and scale insects. Regularly inspect your trees for signs of infestation. Natural predators like ladybugs can help keep pest populations in check. If necessary, horticultural oils or insecticidal soaps offer additional control without harming beneficial insects. Incorporating orange trees into your garden isn't just about the fruit. These trees add aesthetic value with their glossy green leaves and bright fruit. They enhance outdoor spaces, providing shade and a focal point in the landscape. As the seasons change, so do the needs of your orange tree. In winter, reduce watering slightly as the tree enters dormancy. This rest period is crucial for the following year's growth and ensures a bountiful harvest. Whether you're in a temperate climate or experiencing colder winters, orange trees can become a successful part of your garden. With proper care, they offer not just fruit, but also a connection to nature's cycles. Their needs are simple if you accept the rhythm of sunlight, water, and nutrient cycles. In conclusion, growing an orange tree is an attainable goal for most home gardeners. With the right conditions and care, these trees thrive beyond just tropical regions. They bring beauty and a bounty of fruit, making the effort worthwhile. Embrace the challenge, and you may find that an orange tree becomes one of the most rewarding additions to your garden.